Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's make idli puttu with idli pan. In a glass, add a pinch of salt, mix it well, sprinkle the salted water on ragi flour. Gently mix them with your fingers until it changes into slight brown without lumps. Let's know the benefits of ragi flour. It is a natural wonder grain for weight loss. Ragi keeps your body cool even during scorching summer days. Magnesium content can be found in ragi that is responsible for controlling hair loss. Now similarly, sprinkle the salted water onto the rice flour and mix them gently with your fingers without any lumps. Now our puttu flour is ready. On idli pan, add few drops of oil and apply it with your fingers. Sprinkle some grated coconut. Fill it with rice and ragi puttu flour. Gently press it with your fingers. Don't overpress it, it may become hard. Sprinkle some more grated coconut and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now our idli puttu is ready. Try this wonderful and simple recipe for your breakfast. It tastes awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Add some gingelly oil onto it. Sprinkle some sugar and serve it to your family members. They enjoy eating it. Stay connected to Healthy Samayal for simple and healthy recipes. Thank you friends.